Hey guys, it's Coach Robin from Beyond Boxing again. Today, we'll be learning how to hit the heavy bag. Hitting the heavy bag is probably the training that you'll be doing most often in the boxing gym. First, you need to learn how to land your punches on the bag properly without hurting yourself. Whenever you punch to the heavy bag, you want to make sure you land your punch with the knuckles. Okay, with the flat part of your knuckles, right about up here. Land it flush on the target. And always make sure that you have your wrist as straight as you can while you land the punch. Do not let your wrist bend or you will hurt yourself. Make sure you land all your punches with the wrist straight. And most importantly, your hooks need to land with your wrist as straight as possible, with no bend in the wrist. The elbows has to be 90-degree bent and the forearm parallel along the ground when you land your hooks, like so. Next thing you need to know about heavy bag punching is that whenever you hit the bag, it will swing. And you will need to counter punch against the swing of the bag. Okay, so as the bag swing, you want to be punching it as it is coming back at you. Okay, okay. Or you can also move around to find different angles to work on the bag. Move around. And lastly, whenever you hit the heavy bag, you want to be working with different punch combinations that you have learned. Okay, different punch combinations, some straight punches, some hooks to the head, to the body, and so on. Make sure that when you land the long range punches, which is your jab and your straight right, you're landing them from further away. To land the hooks, you get up close, near the back. And then to land the straight punches, you step back out again. And that's the basics of heavy bag punching. Thanks for watching the video, you guys. If you like what you saw, please click like, please subscribe, and please tell all your friends. And I'll see you next time for another easy day.